In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another Facebook page to Meta Business Suite. Before we jump into the steps, make sure you're already logged into the Facebook account that owns or manages the page you want to add. That will save you from permission issues later on. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to the main dashboard for your business tools, where you can manage pages, ads, and more from one place. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout, this is usually on the left-hand side menu or sometimes at the bottom of that menu. Click on Settings to open up all the configuration options for your business account. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of sections down the left-hand column. Find the one labeled Pages and click on it. This section is where you manage which Facebook pages are connected to your business suite, and it's where we'll add the new one. On the Pages screen, look to the top right corner and click on the Add button. This opens a small menu with different options for bringing pages into your business account. From those options, choose Add an existing Facebook page. This is important. You use this option when the page already exists on Facebook, and you either own it or have the appropriate permissions to manage it. If you don't have admin access to that page, your request will need to be approved by someone who does. A field will appear where you can type in the name of the page you want to add. Start typing the page name exactly as it appears on Facebook. As you type, Facebook will show you a list of matching pages. When you see the correct page appear in the options, click on it to select it. Double check the profile picture and name to make sure you're choosing the right one, especially if there are similar pages. After selecting the page, click on Next to move forward. You'll now be taken to a screen where you can review the people and permissions connected to this page within your business. Take a moment to review the people, roles, and access levels that are shown, just to confirm everything looks right. When you're ready, click Next again, and then click Request Approval. This sends a request to the current page owner or admin. Once they approve it, that Facebook page will be successfully added to your Meta Business